Then this is out here on Main Street. Well, Maple Ave. This is all the water's pushed out here. Feel bad for everybody that's lost their shit. This is, for some reason, there's idiots that keep lighting fucking fireworks off out back. And there's fucking diesel fuel in the water. Real smart that is. Some people are freaking morons. Lighting fireworks like this is the time to celebrate people losing their shit. That's Barry for ya. Some people just don't fucking think.